Welcome to our app tutorial to learn about downloading, logging in, creating an account, and to see some of our unique features. We will take you step by step through each of these items. You can pause this video anytime and restart it as you work through the steps. Let's get started. Downloading the app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple Store and search for Recovery International. The correct app has the blue icon with the yellow RI on it. Download and install this to your phone. Now you need to open your app, find the icon, and either open it or move it to your home page. To use the app, you will need to log in with your Recovery International account information, meaning the username and password that you use to log in online. If you do not already have a Recovery International account that you use on the RI website, then you will need to create one. If you have an RI account, then use that information to log in. Check the box, remember for 2 weeks, then click the Login button. At this point, you will need to agree to the privacy policies. Then you will be taken to the main menu. If you do not have an account, click the Create an Account link, and you will be taken to the registration page. The only required fields are first name, last name, and email address. Click Submit. An email will be sent to the email address you entered. Follow the instructions. The email will have a link to create an account. You now need to set a password. If you already are registered with that email address, both accounts will show. Choose the one you use and create a new password. Please write this down, then click Submit. Back at the login screen, enter your email, which is your username and password. Check the box Remember Me for 2 weeks and log in. You will be prompted to agree to the privacy terms. If you have trouble signing in, please click the link, Having Trouble Signing In. You will be sent an email, follow the instructions in the email and on the screen. Now you are all signed in, let's take a tour. We will look at our special features of the app, the member portal, find a spot, favorites, and donate now sections. Here is the member portal. Don't confuse this with having an actual RI membership. It is the app member portal. The drop-down arrow will bring up the menu. Just a reminder that without an RI membership, you will not be able to go to the member-only area, and leaders will not be able to access leader resources. Otherwise, you will be able to navigate to all the other items on the list. Now let's look at our favorite feature, Find a Spot. There are 6 feeling categories listed. Each category has spots that you can scroll through. Next to each spot, there is a circle. If you click the circle, you can save that spot to your favorites and access them in a favorites list. Favorites are accessed by clicking the heart, either on the bottom menu or at the top of the feelings screen. When you click the circle next to the spot, the app then wants you to confirm that you want to add this spot to your favorites and will acknowledge that they are updated. Once you have a list of favorite spots, you can also remove a spot by clicking on the heart in the list. It will want you to confirm that you want to remove the spot as a favorite. Finally, we have Donate Now, which you can access from the main menu, bottom menu, and from your account page. If you already have an RI membership and not just an app account, your information will be filled in the form for you. Otherwise, you will have to enter the information. Either way, the information on your donation will be available in U account history. The rest of the main menu items, About Us, Membership, 4-Step Method, in Espanol, and Resources, take you directly to the Recovery International website with the pertinent information. The final item allows you to delete your account. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial and tour of your new app and that you find its features helpful. Thank you so much for being part of Recovery International. We appreciate you downloading the app and hope you find it helpful in your recovery practice. Enjoy.